Good afternoon, my name's Andy Coyle. I'm going to show you this exceptional 1965 Mustang. It's a one-owner car. Gentleman who bought this car in Culver City, California, 1965. He was an aerospace engineer with Rockwell, and he bought this through a friend of his neighbor was a Ford executive, and he was able to pull some strings to get the then very hot Ford Mustang. This car is completely stock, has about 159,000 miles on it. It was restored in '91 and has about 9,000 miles on it since the restoration. It's in very nice condition. The interior looks basically like new. All new upholstery, all new carpets. The dashboard looks absolutely exceptional. That's really where you see the difference on a restoration like this. Everything on the car works, the lights, the ventilation system. This has the 289 engine with a 3-speed automatic transmission. Has hydraulic brakes, 4-wheel drum brakes. It's a true 65. I believe it's the original engine that has been restored. It's quite an extensive write-up written by the gentleman who bought the car new. And it's kind of interesting because it's kind of a microcosm of Southern California. Post-war Southern California. The guy was in the service, went to work as an engineer for Rockwell, worked on like the space shuttle, and then he restored it after he retired. So it's a super cool car. It's in good, very good mechanical. The paint is, looks like a good 30-year-old paint job. Has a few nicks, but it's very presentable. It shines. Original keys. So it's a 3-speed. Power steering. I had a 67 Mustang 289, similar to this when I was in college. Great cars. This car has dual exhausts, runs out really nice, speedo works. I believe all the gauges work. Has brand new tires. We, in preparation for the sale, we had the car going over, found that the tires needed to be replaced. So it's brand new tires. Feels great, no shimmy. Car goes down the road absolutely straight. It's a reliable car. The gentleman's daughter drove the car to us, and it's just a cool original car. It's totally stock, unmodified, really quite comfortable to drive. The 289 has good power. Power steering makes it very easy to drive. It's been really well maintained. In the business, you always want to buy a car from either an engineer or a fireman, because both tend to keep their equipment in really top condition. So, hopefully. So the car drives out really quite nice. Good, nice, smooth shifts. Steady. You lay my hand, there's no shimmy. So really nice, comfortable car. Can't say enough about these early Mustangs, and they really hold their value quite well. So let's review. It's a real 1965, one owner Mustang. It's bought in Culver City. Guy restored it in like 91 with about 100 and I believe it says 151,000 miles on it when he restored it. He went through the dealer. We used all original equipment, parts and pieces during his restoration. Repainted it the original color. So he did it right. It shows now 1393. That's the mileage since he restored it. Basically, it's been a garage queen. So in preparation for this sale, we got the new tires. We had it detailed, but other than that, it runs out perfect. The engine is absolutely excellent. The heat, ventilation works. The wipers work. The headlights work. The brake lights work. The blinkers work. Carpet's beautiful. Has seat belts. So I guess that's pretty much it. Nobody wants to watch me stop and go traffic, so it's a clean California title. It's exempt from smog certification, so let me know if you have any questions. Thank you very much.